So, Megan, what are your thoughts on the kind of event you want for your team?
Well, the quad bike launch is the focus, obviously, but that won't take all weekend. We'll need something else to do.
Do you have anything in mind? Have you considered the kind of venue you'd like?
A top-class hotel. We want this to feel like a real treat.
But where would the quad biking take place?
I was thinking somewhere nearby. A large plot of land, so obviously we'd need transport.
What do you think about the Friday evening when everyone is arriving?
We'd need a welcome reception.
Okay. Would your staff be interested in any other activities?
Maybe a murder mystery night with costumes. You could arrange that, right?
The quad bike demo is on Saturday afternoon. How would you feel about another event in the morning?
I think the team will just want to hang around the hotel beforehand, maybe use the spa.
How about Sunday?
Sunday lunch, maybe a private chef.
Great.
Fantastic. I wasn't really expecting you to agree to all of that.